This is super exciting. I'm curious to know, do you think the ETFs are going to be approved? The Ethereum ETFs, do you think they're going to be approved on Thursday, on May 23rd? Or do you think they won't? And this is such a huge moment in my eyes for not just ETH, but all alts and Bitcoin, just the whole crypto markets. We could break through that couple $1 trillion market cap, and maybe we could start seeing 5 trillion, 8 trillion, 10 trillion. Think what that will do for your crypto portfolio. Let me know. You think they're going to be approved, or do you think that it's all just hype? Welcome back to the channel. Ethereum ETFs, let's talk about it. About a week ago, most people were like, the ETF will probably get denied and it'll have to be refiled. It's probably going to be a process. Well, that view has changed a lot over the last 24 hours. So much, in fact, that out of the top 100 cryptos, Ethereum is up 24% in the last 24 hours. This is why I love crypto so much. It's why it's kind of our chosen investment vehicle. It's why we've built a whole company around it. It's why we do these videos, because you can make so much money. So much money. Oh, wow. I got some AI doing that's very timely. You can make so much money in such a short period of time if you are playing the game. If you're sitting on the sidelines and you just keep studying or learning, luck will never strike. We've got to be in the game. This is my rally cry. This is like my call to action for anyone who's been on the sidelines. Get in the game. The longer you're in the game and the more you're in the game, the luckier you'll get. And so, yeah, a lot of people are making a lot of money on ETH. And here's a quick little update news-wise. So Bloomberg analyst Eric and James have revised their approval probability from 25% to 75%, citing a rise in discussions about an expedited 19B4 filing. Basically, that Ethereum ETF approval got bumped up from 25% to 75%. Look at how one little piece of news, what that does to crypto. It's why I'm so big on yield farming, because when you're yield farming, you're just earning more of the coins and tokens you want to hold. ETH should be one of them. And then you stack them. We can't predict when markets or when a coin or token takes off. We really can't predict that. No one can predict that. But when it happens fast. And that's when you make money. The potential regular shift has not only elevated Ethereum's price, but also spurred a wider market rally, with Bitcoin trading above 70,000 for the first time in April. Super exciting. You know I'm a big Bitcoin fan, and we've just been stacking Bitcoin for a while. The price jump and market optimism coincide with the SEC's upcoming deadline to rule VanEck Spot ETF on May 23rd. That's 2 days away. And you can see the tweet that really kind of started it all. Where are you here? There we go. So about a week ago, it was, if the Spot ETH ETF is approved, it will be a true shock to everyone I know in DC who's close to the process. That doesn't mean it won't happen. It means approval could signal a major shift, Are increasing our odds of Spot ETH ETF approval to 75%, up to 25%. Hearing chatter this afternoon that the SEC could be doing a 180, increasingly political issue. I want to talk about this. So now everyone is scrambling, like everyone else assumed they'd be denied. That's exciting. What do they mean political issue? I don't want to get too deep into this, but crypto is becoming more and more of a political issue, or a political point that politicians are making. And candidates that are winning right now, that are sort of building momentum, they're pro-crypto. They're pro-crypto. And those who aren't, it's kind of like, well, you know, they're not up with the times. And they're starting to make some switches saying, hey, we should probably get on this crypto stuff. Hey, we should probably get pro-crypto. This is super exciting. This is what we've been waiting for. And in this instance, it being a political issue or being in the political spotlight is really, really good for us. So who knows what will happen? We can't predict it. But what I will say is, to win this game, you've got to be in the markets. You've got to be invested. The best time was to invest yesterday. The second best time is just to invest now. And we dollar cost average. We don't dump all our money into it, which is, again, why I love yield farming. Why we've built this channel and why we built the UIG, because we can yield farm coins and tokens we want to hold, and then we stack it. So we're dollar cost averaging into things, and it's just, we're getting the best of both worlds. We have cash flow, we have businesses that pay us, and we're stacking for a bull run. So when this happens, we're lucky. Everyone will always say that too. I was talking to someone a few days ago, like, oh, you must just be so lucky. You made so much money. I'm like, I didn't get lucky. I've been just investing every single week and studying this stuff every single day. It's all about positioning yourself so you can get lucky. This is super exciting. I'm curious to know, Do you think the ETFs are going to be approved? The Ethereum ETFs, do you think they're going to be approved on Thursday on May 23rd? Or do you think they won't? And this is such a huge moment in my eyes for not just ETH, but all alts and Bitcoin, just the whole crypto markets. We could break through that couple $1 trillion market cap, and maybe we could start seeing 5 trillion, 8 trillion, 10 trillion. Think what that will do for your crypto portfolio. Let me know. You think they're going to be approved, or do you think that it's all just hype? Do let me know. With that said, I'm going to leave some more videos, study this stuff. We're doing a 10K challenge, so we're building a brand new portfolio up to 10K a month in cash flow. Do check that video out. How we did 50K this week. Some people call it luck. We're positioned. Let's talk about impermanent loss and some other things. So do check out those 4 videos, study up. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.